Welcome back, everybody. So today, I forgot what track of day it is. I don't think I made a video on day 3. So this is called 3-4. So we're almost done with the truck, bringing it back to glory. Videos coming out, LED headlamp bulbs. We did the cut polish. We popped some dings. We probably pulled out about 100 hail dents, new mirrors, tonneau cover. Let's walk around this bad boy. So I think it's looking pretty dang good for what it can be. Like I said, we got our big mirrors on here. Look good. The other ones look like trash. We took this black stuff off because it was all pinged up, and torn up, and faded. I actually think it looks nice. I mean, look at this interior. I mean, this was a beast. We got the other seat recovered on the bottom. We polished out scratches on the gauge cluster. Got all the dust out of here. Yeah, I have one more finished detail to do. Got all of the stains out of the headliner. What a lot of work this bad boy was. That's a yellow tag down there, by the way. That's not something I left. I mean, we got everything out that we could. I mean, scratches in the fabric, there's nothing I can do about. All the stains in the headliner were golden. Like I said, we put a nice inexpensive tonneau on there. Got all the chrome polished out. LED reverse lights. License plate lights. Yeah, I'm pretty happy. It was an ass ton of work, man. I'm telling you, I put about 50 hours into it so far. So yeah, it was a lot of work. I'm proud of it. Going to my brother-in-law, I know he'll appreciate it. But it was a lot of work, man, I'm telling you. So we'll have some wrap-up videos for sure coming on this, along with all the how-tos that we did. But yeah, even just taking the hard water off of the windows between vinegar and just scrubbing, you can't even see through those damn windows. Yeah, I'm really tickled. So one last look around. So there we go. There's kind of a bird's eye with that black crap off the windows. And yeah, I am pretty pleased with how it's turned out. An $8,000 pickup minus the hail. Looks pretty damn good. Nothing good comes easy. Comes a lot of hard work, guys. But I hope he'll be happy with it. It's looking real good. A lot of cutting and polishing to get this bad boy down to where you can almost not see the hail unless you're paying attention. So thanks for following along on the journey, guys. This is probably the wrap up on this truck, other than all the how-to videos they're going to pump out at some point. Yeah. You know, somebody the other day made a quick comment that they said that no matter, they saw my video on a Ford Fiesta headlight bulb change, and they said, you know, the community needs this type of information out there. It's not going to get a lot of hits, and it won't. But they appreciate it, and that's exactly why here, Automotive Inc., that's me, I do all these videos for you guys, is just to, if there's some type of hack, some way to save you money, I'm going to show you how to do it so you can do it yourself. Because ladies and gentlemen, you can do it. You can do all of this maintenance stuff yourself. You can do all the hard work yourself. Save yourself the time and the money. And I really appreciate the viewers saying that. Then I had another gentleman reach out, and another one just had a detail like dirty steering wheels at like 3 in the morning. He said he was doing this, and it really worked out well for him. And you know, that again is why my channel's here. Yeah, I wish I had 1 million subscribers. Probably won't ever happen because I don't have a nice booty and I don't wear bikinis. But at the end of the day, I'm going to keep on doing what I'm doing because Automotive Inc. is here to help people along the way. We do everything, cars, vehicles, RVs, and everything. If it rolls, we're probably going to do it. So if you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button for me. Help me out. Let's grow to 1 million. Let's see what we can do. But I always appreciate you guys being here, and I'm going to catch you on the next one.